too much. You're wasting shampoo. Now, it really boils down.
Ain't none of that.
But typically, you're only gonna need about like that. Just enough to get a good laugh.
Watch the full video, please.
What's up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today, we're gonna be talking about shampoo mistakes that you make and it's killing your hair. You don't even know. But this is not gonna be my video. I'm gonna be reacting to some content I saw on YouTube and it caught my eye. So I figured, why not just use them in one of my videos to teach you guys that it's not only me talking about not doing this to your waves, but it's other people of different hair textures talking about the same thing. But before we get started with this video, I want to take a moment to thank the Coldest for making this video possible. Just check out my description below. If you guys want a chance to enter the giveaway, feel free to do so. And if you happen to want to get you a Coldest water, I also have that linked in my description. Don't forget to use the discount code 360juice to get 10% off your order. But without further ado, let's get right into this video, man.
They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Pete and Pedro about to watch this video. It's 2 minutes and 30 seconds, so this video right here shouldn't be that long. So the title is shampoo mistakes most men make. This video is not about men, okay? This video is about women and men. Kids, whoever you are trying to get waves, trying to just keep your hair healthy, this video is for you. So keep watching. First off, let's like the video. You feel me? 964 likes. Pete and Pedro has 22,000 likes. Let's get them to 23,000. You feel me, Juice Mafia? But yeah, man, I'm had this video linked in my description below. If you guys want to go check it out, leave a like. Feel free to do so. Pete and Pedro will really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Shout out to them. But yeah, let's make this video full screen and get right into it. Alright, y'all.
You there, you need to be cleaning.
Why you just screaming at me for? Scared the crap out of me.
How you gonna clean it? Of course, shampoo, right? It's so simple. Actually, a pair.
First thing he said, you want to clean your hair? Use shampoo. But shampoo is dangerous. Even though we love using it, we love lather. You know I love lather. But yeah, it's deadly to your roots, to your hair, to your scalp, to your oils, to everything natural about your hair. So yeah, be careful.
It's not that simple because a lot of you are making some critically bad shampoo mistakes. First shampoo mistake that a lot of guys make is they shampoo their hair too often. Guys, most people don't need
a lot of mistakes that you guys make. All right, straight hair wavers or straight hair textures or straight hair, whatever you want to call it. You guys wash your hair like every single day, all right? Because I understand it gets oily really quick, but when it comes down to my hair texture, medium, coarse, super medium, medium to straight, don't wash your hair every single day. Don't wash your hair 3 times a week. Don't wash your hair 5 times a week. Don't wash your hair 4 times a week. My best advice to you, medium texture wavers to coarse hair wavers like me, or textures, I'm talking about all hair texture, men, women, kids, whatever you are, use shampoo maximum twice a week. All right, keeps your hair clean and it doesn't overdo it to the point where it strips all your natural oils and then kills your hair, like your hair strength. It takes all of that away. It strips the oils, everything that makes your hair strong and healthy. The shampoo just gets rid of all of it. All right, so be careful of how often you use your shampoo.
Shampoo their hair every single day. Now, if you're extra greasy or extra oily, then you might need to, but the truth is, most of you could skip a day in between. And the reason is because if you're shampooing every day, you are stripping all the goodness out of the hair.
Exactly.
In order for your hair...
I mean, I just said that too. But he's making a lot of great points. So we're gonna keep watching, all right? If I see anything that I don't agree with, I'm gonna stop it and tell you guys. But so far, everything is on point, all right?
As healthy as possible. You don't want to remove all the oils and natural essence every single day, which brings us to the second mistake that a lot of guys make. They don't use a conditioner, guys.
Okay, on TikTok, I do a lot of reaction videos to washing styles with curls to waves in 60 seconds, all right? You guys do pretty good with the lather, okay? I really appreciate the lather. It tells me that your hair is clean. It tells me that, the lather tells me that your waves are gonna be laid down perfectly when you take that rag off after you rinsed it. But a lot of things that you guys are missing is adding that conditioner, okay? Conditioner is very, very important because what does the shampoo do? If you know what the shampoo does to your hair and your natural oils, drop in the comments right now. I'll give you like 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, boom. Conditioner does the opposite of the shampoo. It lathers just like, no, not just like a shampoo. The lather is a lot better than a shampoo. A shampoo strips the oil while the conditioner adds the oils, the moisture, not the oils because the oils come from your scalp, but it adds that moisture back into your scalp, okay? It's very healthy. It helps your hair stay strong and moist and healthy looking. So when you finish with that shampoo, it strips the oil out, you go in with that conditioner, you make it lather, because I got a video on that, how to make a conditioner lather. So if you have any excuses saying you can't make a conditioner lather, go watch that video and learn how to make it lather. Because I know lather is important, it helps lay down your hair, it helps keep your hair from over curling, but you have to condition, alright? If you don't want to use a shampoo while you're doing the washing style, you could just use conditioner. It's called a co-wash, conditioner washing. You don't have to use a shampoo to wash your hair every single time. If you want to wash every single day, if you feel like your hair is dry, do a co-wash with a conditioner. Let's get back to this video.
Your hair is going to help your hair look better, be stronger, and actually close the hair shaft. You need to be conditioning your hair. So many dudes are like, yo, I don't need to condition. What's conditioner for? That's for chicks, gentlemen. That's for anybody with hair. And the reason is because shampooing helps.
I condition when I'm doing washing style because it's so important. You should too.
Replace and nourish and strengthen and smooth your super sexy hair. The third mistake is using too much. You're wasting shampoo. Now, it really boils down.
Ain't none of that. We're not using too much, man. Stop playing. We need all the shampoo we can have so that lather can look clean. You feel me? Immaculate.
How long your hair is, but typically, you're only gonna need about like that.
No, you need more than that. Stop playing. Because that right there is not enough for the first wash. Because y'all know, all my waiters know the first wash don't lather that good. That type of shampoo right here, right? Nah, man, nah. You know what? In my opinion, we need way more for the first. This could work for the second wash, but for the first wash, we need like this times 3. All right? We need that junk to get all over our hair so it could get the dirt and stuff out. Okay? For the first wash, no. For the second wash, okay. This will be great for the second wash because the second wash you don't need that much shampoo for it to lather up. This will be good for the second wash, but for the first wash, I don't think so. Pedro, Pete and Pedro, I don't think that's gonna work.
Enough to get a good lather, which brings us
no, Pedro, no, Pete, Pedro, no.
Shampoo.
No.
It really boils down to how long your hair is, but typically you're only gonna need about like that, just enough to get a good lather.
That's not enough to get a good lather on the first wash. Because Pete Pedro, we do 2 washes as waivers, okay? We need that first wash, we need a lot of shampoo for that first wash because we don't get no lather on the first wash, all right? Now the second wash, that's when the lather starts coming in.
So the fourth mistake that a lot of guys make, they're too aggressive when it comes to washing their hair. Gentlemen, here's the thing. Your hair is gentle. It needs to be loved, right? Let it go. Like, just get in there nice and sexy like. Pro shampoo tip, use a scalp massaging shampoo brush.
Use a detangling shower brush. We call it detangling shower brushes over here, Pete Pedro. You feel me? Pete and Pedro, we call it detangling shower brush over here.
These things are incredible. Not only do they help stimulate the hair follicles and all sorts of stuff, they just feel amazing. And
you know what? I think he should be a waiver because everything he's saying, he knows what he's talking about. Now he just need that brush to put that brush work in. The only thing that's different about me and him right now, or us waivers and him, is he's not a waiver. All right, we wash our hair differently. We do washing styles. They just do washing. Their washing styles is a lot different. I'm not talking about Pete and Pedro, I'm talking about anyone that doesn't have waves. If you just have a fro or curls, your washing style is different from a waiver's washing style. All right, so we do it differently. So I understand what he's talking about. And when you try to get in his shoes to know, like, and talk to people that don't have waves, then all of this makes sense. But us waivers, you know, I gotta stop right there and tell you guys, no, don't do it that way because, you know, we're different. All right.
shampoo mistake is not using the correct shampoo for you and your hair. So
exactly. Before you get your shampoo, make sure you do your research. Alright guys, that was a lot of pretty good information. From his point of view, it was amazing information. But from my point of view, I had to switch up a couple things. You know, to get it right, to align it right with our wave routine and everything. That was a dope video. I really enjoyed it. And it was really cool to see somebody without waves doing basically the same thing we're doing. Just little differences, alright? But I got a couple TikTok shorts dropping soon. Maybe tonight around 8, 9. I know you guys like the TikTok compilations. I got those dropping tomorrow, so y'all stay tuned. But thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget, I'm gonna have Pete and Pedro's link down in my description. Y'all go check out the video and help me get to 23,000 subscribers. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, I want you to smash that subscribe button for me. Road to 400K, and I definitely hope to see you here in my next video. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.